Hi, my name is Faatil Imanuha binti Fazli. My matrix number is 2025693488. We are from class D1 AM1101D.
Hi, my name is Damia Farhana binti Asmadi. My matrix number is 2025693
Hi, my name is Delia Mia binti Muhammad Safwan. My matric number is 2025859332.
My name is Dayang Yusufani binti Mustafa. My matrix number is 2025868042.
For case study 1, question 1, Maria, a talented artist, won first place in reality show competition and received a RM 300,000 prize. She decided to invest most of his winnings in a financial institution, earning 3.35 interest compounded monthly. Setting aside a portion for personal life, her goal is to use the investment income to open his own art gallery. After 7 years, his investment will be worth RM 250,594 ringgit 51 cent. For A, how much of her prize money did Maria initially invest? This question need the P principle. We need to know the keyword. First of all, if you read back the question, Maria received a 300,000 and he's invest most of it. So, K is 3.35%, M is 12 compounded monthly, T is 7 years. We have to use a formula S equals P bracket 1 plus I power N. 250,594 ringgit 51 cents equals P 1 plus 0.0335 divide 12 power 12 multiple 7. The answer for how much is initially invest is RM 198,276 ringgit 57 cent. Next question is B. What was accumulated interest over the 7 years period? So we have to I equals S minus P. I equals 250,594 ringgit 51 cents minus 198,270 ringgit 57 cents. I will be 52,370 ringgit 94 cents. The next answer, how long did it take for Maria to earn RM 300,000 ringgit from her initial investment? So we have to use formula S equals P bracket 1 plus K per M bracket power MT. So the S will be 300,000, the P will be 198,276 ringgit 57 cents. Bracket 1 plus 0.0335 divide 12 bracket 12 power 12t. The t will be 12.3 years.
Let's move to the next question. What nominal rate compounded quarterly will result in the 5 years period to earn 300,000? Hence, find the periodic rate of the investment. First, we need to identify the keywords, which is S equal to 300,000, P, principal amount, equal to 198,276.57 cent, M, which is quarterly, is 4. T, which is years, is 5 years. So in this question, we need to find K. First, we use the formula S equal P 1 plus K divide M power MT. So the S is 300,000 equal P 198,276.57 cent. 1 plus K, we put K only, divide M, which is 4. And the power is 20, which is M multiple T, which is 5 multiple 4 is 20. So we conclude, we get 1.51304 for the divide 300,000 divide to 198,276.57 cent, and 1 plus K divide 4 power 20. So if we get the answer, we multiple 4, so we get K is 0.0836, which is 8.3060%. So after we get K, the questions ask to find the periodic rate of the investment. So we need to find I also. I formula is I equal to K divide M. We in the last question, we already get K, so we just need to put in only on the formula, which is I equal to 0.0836 divide 4. So we get the answer 0.0209. In the next question, Vidya deposited 15,000 ringgit in an account that pays 5% compounded quarterly. 5 years later, she withdrew all her savings to pay a down payment on the purchase of a short lot costing 50,000 ringgit. The balance is to be settled through equal monthly payment for the next 8 years at an interest rate of 6.5% compounded monthly. Calculate the value of the monthly payment. First step is we will use the formula S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K divide M MT power. So first we need to find the S. So it will be S equal to P which is 15,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.05 divide 4 power 4 multiple 5. So the S will be 19,230 ringgit 56 cents. So that amount is the total of Vidya deposit in 5 years of saving. So we need the next step is we need to minus 150,000 ringgit minus the amount we get which is 19,230 ringgit 46 cents. So the calculation will be 130,769 ringgit 44 cents. So the next step is we will use the formula A equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I negative n power divide I. So we will use the amount we get, which is 130,769 ringgit 44 cents equal R, the amount we want to find in bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.065 divide per 12 negative 96 power divide to I, which is 0.065 per 12. So the R we will get is 1,750 ringgit for 51 cents.
So for case study 2, question 1, Izul planned to purchase an apartment that cost 158,000 ringgit. He had to pay a 10% down payment. Question A, if he deposit 1,178 ringgit and 4 cents every 3 months in an account that pay interest of 8% compounded quarterly to cover down payment, how many payments would he make? So first we must search the A, which is the cost 158,000 ringgit multiple 10% down payment. So the A we will get 15,800 ringgit. After that we will use a formula, which is A equal R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I negative n power per I. So the A we get 15,800 ringgit later equal R, which is the deposit 1,178 ringgit and 4 cents in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I, which is K per M. The K is 0.08 per M is 4 negative n power per I, which is 0.08 per 4. After that we must move the R 1,178 ringgit and 4 cents to front. So it will be 15,800 ringgit per 1,178 ringgit and 4 cents multiple 0.08 per 4 equal in bracket 1 plus 0.08 per 4 negative n power. After that the calculation is 1.0682 equal 1.02 n power. So in this question we must use log because we need to find n, which is n is power. Then we will move 1.02 to the front and it will be log 1.2682 per log 1.02 equal n. And the final answer we get is n equal 12.
For the question B, Izul took a loan purchased to pay the balance of the cost of the apartment. The loan was for 35 years and was to be paid monthly at 6% compounded monthly rate. First, find the monthly payment for the loan. So we will have to find A first. So A will be 158,000, the cost minus 15,800. So the A will be 158,000 142,200 ringgit. The formulation we will use is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I negative n power per I. So it will be 142,200 equals to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I, which is K divided by M, which is K is 0.06 per M, which is 12, negative N, which is MT, M is 12 and T is 35 per I, 0.06 per 12. So after the calculation, R will be 916 ringgit 20 cents. For the second question, Izul missed his 5 months. How much he should pay on his sick payment? So the formulation will be used is S equals to R in bracket 1 plus I n power minus 1 per I. So it will be S equal to 960 ringgit 20 cents in bracket 1 plus I, which is K divided by M, which is 0.06 per 12 at 2 power minus 1 per I, which is 0.06 per 12. So after the calculation, the answer for that 1,836 ringgit 68 cents.